My children woke up craving chicken nuggets, so I decided to make it for them. And because I love them to eat as much vegetable as possible, I decided to make them a vegetable infused chicken nuggets. I started by combining 2 pounds of boneless chicken with 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, shredded carrots, steamed broccoli, and the spices listed on the screen. And then I processed this in my food processor until it was finely blended. Transferred it into a bowl and molded them into my desired shape. I molded them into square shapes. First, I got my hands wet so that it doesn't stick on my hands, and then I molded them into square shapes before putting them away in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. While that was chilling in the refrigerator, I got my Italian style breadcrumbs. I added a little more onions powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika for the extra seasoning. I used it to coat each chicken nugget for that extra crunchiness that it gives, and then sprayed it down with olive oil before transferring into my preheated oven and baked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. And this is the final product. Very tasteful and flavorful chicken nugget. And of course, mommy has to have a taste before she can give to her children. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to give this a try, and please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you in my next one. Bye.